All right, it's into the bin for you.
Whoa, wait. You still haven't told me the whole story.
What do you mean?
Well, first I go to the recycling bin, then I'll get bundled up with all the other boxboard in the sorting plant.
Yeah?
What about the last part?
You mean the part where you go from being wrapped up in a bale to looking brand new again?
Bingo!
All right, one more story, and then I gotta get to work, and you gotta get in the bin.
Deal.
So, at the end of the sorting process, all those bales of boxboard get transported from the recycling plant over to paper mills like Greif Paper right here in Hamilton County. And from there, they start the pulping process.
Whoa, hang on. Did you say pulping?
Yeah, well, basically they have to break it down into a pulp so that they can put it back together again and make it look new.
How do they do that?
Well, first they load all the material into what's essentially a giant blender. Add the boxboard, add water, and then blend. As it swirls, the boxboard material gets soaked and broken down. Meanwhile, all the stuff that doesn't belong, like tape, staples, and styrofoam, rise to the top where they get captured by what's called the tail.
So all the good stuff, where does it go?
Well, it becomes a slurry and looks like ground up soaking wet boxboard.
Is it ruined now?
Nope, because now they're gonna put it through a process where they roll the slurry out, add heat, add another layer, roll it out again, and they're gonna keep going until it forms a sheet. Only their rollers are much bigger, and there's tons of them, each adding a new layer by applying heat and pressure to make sure that everything bonds together into a solid sheet.
Huh, that's crazy.
Yeah, and when it's all done, it gets put into giant rolls that weigh thousands of pounds. Then cut into smaller sections so that they could be used for all sorts of things, from yarns to tubes to, yes, boxes.
So wait, you're saying this might not be the last time I'm a box?
You never know. But there's only one way to find out.
Oh, hey guys. Have I got some news for you?